Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the look and small review of Windows 10 Insider Preview, the new build 10576 that was released on Friday. And what do we have? Not on Friday, on Thursday, sorry. What do we have? First of all, the install went very well. It seemed to be quicker than the usual install that I was used to. No errors, no problems, no blue screens. It was flawless install. Went extremely well on its own, and it gave me this new Insider Preview. Watermark here, under Windows 10 Pro Insider Preview, evaluation copy build 10576. And so this tells me that this is not RTM and this is not what we will have for the fall update. I don't think so. It does not seem like that. I expect that this watermark will be removed when the official release is there. Interesting thing, I had to put a little background picture because in this preview, background went dark, was black instead of the usual picture that I have. Um, what's new? Well, first of all, we're getting so close to the fall update that most of what happened in this build are probably bug fixes and polishing doing the finishing touches to the interface and so on. So basically here we have, first of all, one of the features that I really find cool is the ability to mirrorcast or to send to a device videos, audio, and pictures. So for example, if you click a video on YouTube, if you go onto the upper right, click the little three dots for more options. Here it says cast media to device, and you can click there, and it says, wow, you're gonna have some these videos can be sent to any devices, including DLNA compatible TV sets. So Miracast DLNA compatible TV sets and devices. I know that it works with the Chromecast. This is cool because this is an option that's fantastic, as you can send your video to pretty much any device. I did try it on my TV, but my Toshiba Smart TV is a little special, and I know that the DLNA is a little weird because I do have some glitches with the DLNA on some of the programs I use. So I can't say that it's not working. It might be an issue with my Toshiba TV. But it's really cool to know that you can now stream across devices music, videos, and even slideshows if you're doing a picture slideshow on Facebook, for example. Other improvements in Edge is the fact that, for example, when you right click on a picture or on something that you want to right click on, you now have menus that are much more elaborate. There's more options. If you look here, you can ask Cortana, you can copy a link, save target as, save picture as, share, copy picture. There's a lot of stuff that wasn't there at the beginning. That is nice also. What we also know about this build is not a lot of new things in the start menu, except really polishing the UI and the way that you resize the apps. You now have visual aspect of what it looks like: large, wide, medium, small. That's not bad because it gives you an idea what it looks like. Still a few polishes that are there, a few things that they're actually making more interesting. In addition, Microsoft enabled the ability to rate and review and share your favorite apps from the start menu simply by right click on a Windows app. And if you go to more, so for example here, if you use a Windows app and you go to more, you'll now have the possibility to rate and review and share from here, which is nice. These are a few options that weren't there before. What do you have? You also have, if you share, of course, the store will open and you'll be able to share with other people. Other things, the Xbox app has been fixed. A lot of people complaining that the Xbox app, especially when you're playing Win32 games, really bloats into gigabytes of memory usage, and a lot of gamers were going crazy with that. Well, the Xbox app here has been fixed, so that issue is gone, and that's pretty nice. Also, of course, improved intercompatibility with your Xbox device for streaming your games and so on. So really, really nice. Apart from that, we also have Cortana has new features, including being able to highlight text in a PDF in Edge, and then ask Cortana about that information, and Cortana is going to bring up a web page or some information about what you are asking for, which is very nice. And it's available throughout pretty much every page. You know, whatever you do, whatever you click, you have the possibility to ask Cortana now about pretty much anything. So when you do ask Cortana, it opens that little Cortana here. And you see here, stay tuned, I'm still learning about images. So eventually, you know what, that feature is going to be nice, because it's going to actually, you'll be able to right click, ask Cortana about an image, and our Cortana might ID the picture and tell you what it is, which is pretty cool. Another change is in the settings. When you go to the settings and you check for the default apps, one of the new features of the default apps is when you click and you want to choose a default app, there's a recommended for Windows 10 that is now going to be available for the recommended app that you should use in Windows 10. So that could be interesting for people that are not really sure, but also it doesn't mean that you have to choose that to play the videos, that's for sure. Another feature is in the Windows Update. There's a little more details now, so when you go to the Windows Update, you check for your updates. There's a little more information. You can learn more and have more information on the different options here. But that said, you won't have more information than we already know, which is pretty much nothing. Other changes in the build include improvements to the new nested virtualization feature, which allow people to run Hyper-V containers in an Hyper-V machine. So basically, if you are into virtualization. Apart from that, well, I think this shows that we're really close to the fall update. And it's stable enough and polished enough that I think, like I said, I'm pretty sure that the next build is going to be the official RTM. And then we'll know that we're very close to the fall update release. If you haven't updated your Insider Preview for a while because you had issues, glitches, and problems, I strongly recommend that you update to this one. It's really amazingly good, and no glitches at all. I've been checking the different blogs about people having issues with Insider Previews. This one seems to be a winner because not a lot of people complaining. Of course, there are known glitches that still exist. For example, if you're in a country where Cortana is not working, you cannot search. And this is not a problem that was generated in this preview. It's something that Microsoft already told us. So when you look at the notes with the release, Microsoft tells us that is something we know about. That is something that's going to happen. So you know, there are a few things that they're going to fix before the release, but apart from that, works fantastically well, fast, crisp, and great little preview here. If you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, problems, why not ask? We'll try to help you. Give us thumbs up if you like the videos. Helps us on the ratings on YouTube. Thank you for watching.